Hi, welcome to week 5 of the semester. My name is Garrett Fuller and I'll be telling you about all of the exciting events happening today at UCM. Are you constantly stressed by school, work, relationships, or other things? Want to learn about ways to manage your stress? The Counseling Center is hosting a mental fitness workshop today at 3:30 in the Student Recreation and Wellness Center classroom. For more information, contact the Counseling Center at 660-543-4060. On Wednesday, Career Services will be hosting the Spring Career Expo, starting at 1 in the Multipurpose Building. Be sure to dress appropriately and bring copies of your resume. Civil rights activist Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward." Do you have an event you'd like to see featured in the Muleskinner Minute? Send the details to muleskinner@ucmo.edu. This has been Garrett Fuller reporting for the Muleskinner.